Hi everyone, Nigel Saunders here. Today I'm going to be repotting my Semi Cascade Lemon tree. I think I'm going to be planting it in the same pot again. I looked around, I don't have a better pot for it, so I'm hoping I can put it back in the same pot. Here is a look at the tree. So when I initially planted this, it had a Y-shaped root system, and I cut off the one leg of the root, and it's left a fairly big scar here, but it's healing over. And the root that remains has developed quite a bit. It's thickened up, and all these auxiliary roots here have thickened up. So it's getting some nice character at the root base. So today I'm going to get it out of the pot and try and prune up the roots, trying to improve the look of the root base. My first step will be to get the tree out of the pot, and I'm not sure how easy that will be. I'm going to loosen it up at the sides here. I'll peel away my moss layer. That'll allow me to see what's going on a little better. So this tree is growing in the basement at the moment, so it's still, kept quite cool. Yeah, it's really tight in this pot. So luckily this pot doesn't have much of an internal lip on it. That'll make it easier to remove. I don't think that's going to come out yet. No. Sometimes you can push up from the drainage hole, but that's not helping me. So I'll just keep working away at the sides here to try and loosen the tree up. Well, it is definitely loose now. There it goes. Okay, that wasn't too hard to get out, actually. Yeah. Okay, so the next step, I think I'm going to try and get the drainage screen out. Okay, the drainage screen is out. So I'll start raking out the soil from the roots, and I'll be bare rooting it. The root system looks really healthy though. We've got some cold weather ahead, some minus 11 degrees at night, which is getting pretty cold, so I'll have to definitely keep the heat on here in the greenhouse. All these newly repotted trees will have to stay above freezing if possible. Okay, it's quite close to being bare rooted. I'm going to take it to my washing tub outside and clean the rest of the soil out of the root system. Here's a look at the root system, all washed up. Yeah. So my goal is to continue developing these surface roots. I don't think I would want to raise it in the pot much if I did. So I think I'll start by kind of flattening out the bottom of the root base. So there's one here I can prune off. It looks like, some of these roots I pruned initially, there's not a lot of fine roots coming off them. So I'll prune this one off here. One of the ones that was growing straight down. This one's too thick, it's coming off. Yeah, a little bit attached to it. And then this one also. Get rid of this thick root here. The rest are fairly fine. There's one here that's got a lot attached to it. This one can maybe be repositioned when I repot it to improve the direction. I'll just take the bottom off of it. And then I'll do a general prune on the bottom of the tree. So just taking some of these
roots that are going straight down off. Give them some room to grow in the pot. The tree has grown quite well. It hasn't suffered in vigor at all over the years. Now I'm just going to check my angle. That's not bad. I think, like some of these roots, they go down and then they start kind of wrapping around the pot. I'm going to cut them off shorter to here. This one also, just to reduce them a bit. This one does a funny turn there. I'll cut that one off. There's one kind of growing upwards here. I'll take that upwards part off. That was the one I was going to try and reposition. There's one in here I can try and reposition also. Get it going a little more in a radial direction, like that. A few roots sticking up here I'll get rid of. I think that's getting quite close. I mean, I'm not after, a perfect radial root base on this. It's sort of, this tree is what it is. So I think that'll do. I've taken enough off the roots that there's lots of room for them to grow in the pot, at least for a couple more years. So I think that's it with the root pruning. I'm going to pot the tree up now. I've got the pot cleaned up, and I just want to pick the front of the pot. There's a little pin mark in the glaze there. I think this is a good front here. The glaze is nice on the feet. It's good up top. So that'll be the front of my pot. I've got my drainage screen in so I can get a base layer of soil in the pot. And I'm just wondering how high. Yeah, maybe about halfway. I'll fill it. Maybe to about there. And then I'm wondering about trimming these roots back so it fits in the pot a little nicer. The only danger of that is that, it'll be a little more tippy in the pot, but I can always put a rock on this side to hold it in place. I think it's probably a good thing that it's kind of tight in the pot, or fairly tight. So the roots should all grow downward. And I'll have to get the angle, the planting angle right. So I'm just looking at the planting angle. I don't want it hanging over the lip of the pot, like actually contacting the lip. I think somewhere there looks good. Looks a bit like an elephant here. Yeah, so I think I'll start adding some soil and then I can do the final positioning, but I think somewhere here is pretty good. Just arranging that one root. Yeah, that's looking good. Okay, I'll add some soil and start working it into the root system. And you can always adjust the angle. You can put a little spacer underneath the lip of the pot on the tree to hold it off the lip of the pot while those roots are getting established. So I'm going to keep this tree warm now because I'm repotting it and it's been in the cool basement. After the repotting, I'll warm it up. I'll bring it into the plant room where it'll get, more normal temperatures, and the roots should start growing and the tree should start growing. So the tree's a little more stable in the pot. It's not quite there yet, but it's getting better. And the soil is nice and dry, so it's flowing in around the roots, filling up all the air spaces. So the tree is sitting up by itself now, and I'm liking the angle. I like the height of the root base. It's just a little bit higher than it was before, which looks nice. A little more clearance between the lip of the pot and the tree. So I'll top the soil up and give the tree a water. All right, here I go with the water. It's draining really nicely, better than it did before. I have finished the repotting of the lemon tree. So there's kind of a look at it. Yeah, it's come a long way from when it first began its life as basically a stick in a pot. So I will place a stone on this side of the pot just to kind of secure it until those roots kind of get established in the pot. I've got a good heavy stone here that I can place right there. So that is it. The lemon tree is all repotted. I'll fly in now so you can get a look at the lemon tree and, some different views so you can get a better idea of what it looks like. Close up of the root base here. Yeah, so it's looking quite pleasing, I think. It's a nice structure. As I said in the last video, this Cascade style lemon tree may not be the most natural, but then a lot of people pointed out that they do exist in some of the coastal areas, these wild lemon trees that are hit by landslides, that they've seen a lot of trees that look like this. So that was kind of encouraging because I do like to grow my trees in a naturalistic style. So that is it for today. My lemon tree is repotted. I'm Nigel Saunders. Thanks for joining me in the Bonsai Zone.